Welcome to this math lesson on integers. Today, we will explore the complete set of whole numbers, including positive numbers, negative numbers, and zero. This is a fundamental concept in algebra that helps us describe the world around us more accurately. So, what exactly are integers? Integers are a specific set of numbers. This set includes all the whole numbers you already know, like 1, 2, and 3. It also includes 0. And importantly, it includes the opposites of the whole numbers, which are the negative numbers. Remember, integers do not include fractions or decimals. The best way to visualize integers is by using a number line. As you can see here, 0 sits right in the middle. It acts as the origin point. To the right of 0, we have the positive integers. To the left of 0, we have the negative integers. This line extends infinitely in both directions. Let's focus on the positive integers. These are the numbers greater than 0. They are located to the right side of the number line. We use positive integers to represent things like gaining points, going up in an elevator, or earning money. You can write them with a plus sign or simply as the number itself. On the other side, we have negative integers. These are all numbers less than 0, found to the left of the number line. Negative integers must always be written with a negative sign. We use them to represent things like losing points, temperatures below freezing, or spending money. Now let's look at 0. 0 is a very special number in the integer family. It is neither positive nor negative. It is neutral. It serves as the starting point or the origin from which we measure positive and negative values. Every positive integer has an opposite negative integer. These are called opposites or additive inverses. For example, -3 and +3 are opposites. They are the exact same distance from 0, just in opposite directions. When you add opposites together, the result is always 0. This brings us to the concept of absolute value. Absolute value asks the question, how far is this number from 0? Because distance is a physical measurement, it is always positive. We use two vertical bars to show this. So, the absolute value of -5 is simply 5, because it is 5 steps away from 0. We use integers every day without realizing it. In weather, a temperature of -10 degrees Celsius is a negative integer. In geography, elevation below sea level is negative. In finance, earning $200 is positive, while owing money would be negative. When comparing two integers, remember this simple rule. Numbers to the right on the number line are always greater. For example, -2 is to the right of -5, so -2 is actually the larger number. And any positive number is always greater than any negative number. Let's recap what we have learned. Integers include positive numbers, negative numbers, and 0. Positive numbers are to the right, and negative numbers are to the left. 0 is neutral. Opposites are the same distance from 0, and absolute value measures that distance. Understanding these basics is the first step to mastering algebra.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.